This 7-year-old motor was giving my subscriber fits. In this video, I'm going to show you how I diagnosed the problem and guided my subscriber through the repair job with a simple video call. With the use of my iPhone, I was able to help my subscriber find the tiny part that everybody misses on their vintage outboard motor. The story begins with a call that I received from one of my subscribers from Ontario, Canada. Rick called me, said he had a 1953 Johnson 25 horsepower, very similar to my 10 horsepower, and he was having trouble with the steering mechanism. Said when he would steer it, the gears would separate. As he would turn the handle, the gears would separate. I couldn't picture what he was talking about. Tried to ask him to give me better definition, and finally Rick came up with the idea, can we make a FaceTime call? I said, sure, let's do it. So we set up a FaceTime call, and here's what we discovered. So Rick called me back, we set up a FaceTime call, and when he showed me the tiller handle, as he would turn the tiller handle, the two gears that matched up in here would separate. Here's the two gears that are matching up in the tiller handle. All right, so when you turn the tiller handle, this gear meshes with this gear and it turns it. On his, this gear would pull back as he would turn. The gear would pull back as he would turn. The gear would pull back as he was turned. So it was obvious to me that the problem was in this gear. This gear was moving back, but I could not determine why, so I asked him to take his camera and pick up the handle and show me this gear going up into the handle, which he did. And on my motor, I have a washer right here. His motor did not have the washer, which was causing this gear to be able to back off. So I immediately told Rick, I see your problem. Someone took the handle apart and put it back together, did not install the washer right here. So all I said was take it apart, add you a washer or two right here. Don't need to order the original part, get you the right washer out of your assortment, and that should solve your problem. Rick said, that's it? That's the only problem is a washer? I could just tell he had a sigh of relief, and he called me back 15 minutes later, showed me how he installed two washers on it, and gave me a demonstration of spinning the gears, and this one never backed off. It just stayed right where it needed to be. Simple fix. Simple fix. So that's what I do. It's not just about fixing vintage outboard motors. It's about saving a piece of history. Rick has a beautiful wooden boat. He wanted to put that 25 horsepower Johnson on, and he couldn't get past that simple mistake. So with a simple video call, I was able to solve his problem in about 5 minutes. So that's what I do. That's what I love. If you got a problem that you just can't get over and you want to contact me and do a video call to help solve your problem, I'll be glad to help you. I have all the parts, all the videos, and all the parts manuals you need. Just go to my website, tmikevintageoutboards.com. I got everything you need, including an iPhone.